We'll take a quick walk through the bathhouse. Ain't nobody in there. It's a good, clean, nice bathhouse. I'll just take you on the men's side. Walk in, there's sinks, commodes and urinals over here. Showers over here. One's out of order, but good looking, clean looking showers. Good dome roof, high. It ain't too hot in here. A lot of them you come into it hot. They got vent over there. And fan sucking air out right there. Big ceiling fan going in here. Pretty nice, but not too hot. This is Paynes Prairie Preserve State Park.